Hello, viewers. Welcome to today's segment on Burn Survivors Supportive Initiative. And on today's segment, we'll be talking about care with hot liquid to avoid burns. Now, I want to ask a very important question. How do you take care of liquids in your home? How do you keep liquids around children? Hot water, pap, tea, tomato paste that you're making. How do you keep these things safe at home, away from kids? Recently, a don rush children come hospital with burns for face because pikin drag tea or pap from table sotey e burn im body. They can't rush am go hospital. Another pikin dey play wey im mama dey cook beans. Pikin misstep fall inside the beans water. Dey rush am cause im belle and im hand burn. Another pikin dey play for where they dey do tomato, and so the pikin misstep as they play, fall inside the tomato. And also, speaking from my own experience, back when I was in JUTS, in the ICU, there were cases of children that were rushed into the ICU. One which I knew of, I was aware of, was because the mother was trying to make a local dish that she sells in the evening to make her money. Unfortunately, she stepped out to get something for her business, and then her children came back trying to reach out at the upper cabinet in the kitchen. One of the boys fell into something we call a local dish we call kunungeda, and that child was badly burnt. He was rushed to the hospital in Juice Flamingo, but unfortunately, the child didn't make it. Now, these things can be prevented. Now, how we go take prevent all these things from happening? How we go take prevent them? Because it is within our power to prevent our children from falling victims, to avoid them from feeling pain, because it's unbearable. Now, it gets reason and it gets ways where we go fit as parents, mama, papa, sister, and uncle, where we go fit avoid these things from happening. So, how do we avoid these burns from happening? How we go avoid this kind of yama thing may not happen for our pikin body? Keeping your hot liquid paste away from kids, such as tea, pap, soup, hot tomato paste, away from them. This can really prevent them from having any burns on their body. Also, again, my people, make you no dey cook near where children dey play. Make you secure where you dey cook with either zinc, firewood. Make you secure that particular spot where you dey cook, because children also dey curious to see wetin that thing where they make mama food dey burn inside pot. So please prevent them from going there by securing where you cook with either zinc or wood in a very nice way. With all this being said, burn is preventable, meaning if we follow the proper steps and procedures, burns can be prevented. Once again, we have come to the end of this segment. A quick reminder that this is brought to you by Burn Survivor Support Initiative. And then we bring you this story. I beg, listen to the advices and take heed to every advice and guidelines I've been giving to you. Thank you and goodbye.